decades of my IT experience, exposure to big data and cloud activities, I assure you practical step-by-step classes on Fabric. I have been creating and helping a lot of data engineers all these 2 decades. My complete support and 100% hands-on interactive mode of learning with Fabric data engineering. Very easy and amazing concepts. Fabric helps us to work with any type of data, any amount of data with ease. Let's get started now. Agenda for today's class. What is database? What is warehouse? What is ETL? And what exactly the data engineering means? From there, we are going to learn about Fabric. What is Microsoft Fabric and why Fabric, including our course curriculum. Let's get started slowly. What is Fabric? Before that, what is database? A platform to store huge volumes of data, easy to implement, highly secured, stores big data, cloud support, AI activities. Every project, any company, databases are must. Our jobs are always safe in database platform, be it for banking sector, healthcare, telecom, e-commerce, research, everywhere, anywhere. Databases are common. These databases are of 2 types, regular databases, other one warehouse. Warehouse is a special type of database to store huge volumes of data. We can store historical data, incremental data, aggregated data. Now the question, how to implement this warehouse? There comes ETL, stands for extract, transform, load. We use ETL techniques to read data from various sources, perform transformations or mashup activities, and load data to any destination, preferably warehouse. So any source to any destination, the data transit we can do using ETL. From here comes data engineering. Data engineering is a prominent job role that involves the design, building warehouse databases using ETL structures in cloud. And there are different technologies from various companies that give us ETL as well as data warehousing solutions. Fabric is one of them. But why Fabric? Yes, Fabric compared to other clouds, it is more easy to implement, simple to design. But the architectural understanding is very important, and also the end-to-end implementations. And there lies our actual focus of my classes. What is Fabric now? Fabric is an all-in-one analytics solution from Microsoft. From data movement to data science, real-time analytics, BI, business intelligence, and lot of stuff we can do using Fabric. Trust me, Fabric is doing very good in the market. At the same time, yes, though there is more demand for Fabric, also Fabric needs proper understanding of the entire data stack. It's very, very important. So in my classes, I will be focusing on complete end-to-end Fabric implementations. Fabric offers an extensive range of cloud. I'll be showing you how to get data from Snowflake Cloud, Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, so on, including Google Cloud and Facebook. I'll be showing you practically how to read the data into Fabric. I'll be showing you a good number of analytic components. I'll be making the examples easier, straightforward to save your time. I'll be helping you the licensing and pricing options, including optimizations. With this content, in my classes, you also have AI integrations, data governance solutions, and lot of additional stuff for files, databases, Streamhouse, Lakehouse, etc. Come here. In real world, Fabric has been implemented in the recent past for big data, healthcare, and finance sectors. These are the main products or the verticals, the business silos that can make use of Fabric. So who can become a Fabric engineer? Everyone. In our classes, which is planned for everyone from IT, non-IT, existing data engineers from Azure or Snowflake, or developers or DBAs or data analysts, anyone, everyone, in my Fabric classes, I'll be concentrating on all types of ETL and house we call warehouse, lakehouse, Streamhouse, to make you a certified Fabric data engineer. So I'll be taking care of this ETL and OneLake activities. If in case you are interested, you may also opt for Fabric Data Analyst, DP 600 examination. So Fabric has two options now. One is backend, ETL and warehouse, lakehouse, Streamhouse, OneLake. Other one, Fabric Analytics. Backend left, front and right. You can choose for both or one of these two. It's up to you. This particular intro class is for the middle items, ETL and warehouse. In my Fabric engineering classes, I'll be teaching you cloud ETL and warehouse, cloud computing structures, ETL, ELT pipelines, notebooks, data flow, Spark, PySpark, Activator, big data analytics with lot of use case scenarios and end-to-end projects. So here is the list of complete Fabric concepts that I'll be providing you practically step by step. We have Lakehouse, Streamhouse, Data Factory, Data Flow notebooks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the main important backbone for our classes. We also need to learn about Python ETL, TSQL for ETL, CI/CD, DevOps concepts, and Power BI integrations, OneLake, security optimizations, the DP 700 certification guidance. Latest certification papers, complete guidance, I will take care. Prerequisite. Please revise MS SQL, then step into Fabric. Fabric complete training classes, this 48 chapters across 3 modules with case studies and project work planned for about total 2 months. Core Fabric. I included Azure connections, Azure migrations, and few other Snowflake activities in Fabric for your resume. Also, prerequisite MS SQL. You are aware of MS SQL, you can happily step into Fabric. If not, revise MS SQL first. Okay, all 24 chapters you see on my screen, including the CTE and tuning activities. The last one, this one. Then step into Fabric. It's up to you. Either you can opt for module 1 first and then module 2, or directly module 2 as per your comfort. But things will be clear, straightforward. With this, any questions, clarifications, you'll be contacting me. In case of any further questions or clarifications, before we wind up, let me just recap again. The things will be completely into practice zone. In detail, we have good number of examples on data factory module. Same way, good number of examples on notebooks modules. Here it is. There's something called Lakehouse, OneLake, KQL queries at Streamhouse, pricing, etc., including mirroring and other activities. We have good number of examples on data flow concepts with detailed step-by-step notes. I am here to guide you slowly, step by step, complete concepts. So detailed notes for each concept. Best results can be expected if we can take print copy of my complete notes. And assignments, daily assignments, weekly feedback analysis. For resume, I'll providing you the project work, project solution, FAQs, and complete resume guidance. So I will be the trainer for Fabric, data engineering. We have other nice down to earth trainers for other courses that we offer. We couldn't list all courses here, but yes, we have courses like Salesforce, DevOps, and machine learning with Python, apart from AI, Java, etc., Java full stack, Python full stack, MERN, etc. We are into core Fabric here. Any further questions or clarifications, please do let me know. Regarding the practice part, we will provide you the cloud account, the Fabric cloud account. We will provide you the access for 2 months. Can be extended for another 1 or 2 months on a friendly note if needed. By default, it is for 2 months. Complete notes will provide you. All we need from you is on-time practice, please. If it is live training, this is a chapter-wise content, concept-wise content. Video training, same content, video-wise, video 1, 2, 3, etc. Either live training or video training, same content, same curriculum, same process. Assignments, mock interviews, resume, project work, everything remains same. Choice is yours as per your comfort. Any questions, let me know. We'll be surely addressing the things to proceed further.